Sinibingelele babukeli silapha ePhophonyane esigodini sakaHhohho sivakashele sisiboniswa Malaza siyiteam yaka-agribusiness sixoxisana naye ngenzaba farming siyavusela njani iboniso.
Siyaphila sinjani nini?
Siyaphi.
Sibonga leli thuba lokuthi nisiphe ithuba lelihle kangaka nisivakashele. Nathi sibantu labasha umuntu lomusha lo limako based on ukulima agriculture but lansimini. So I grew ezisemncane. My mother and my father, they were farmers since ngatalwa until ngize ngibe ngaka. So vele ngikhule ekhaya sisebenza silima because besikade sisebenza nawo azange sebasiyekeli. Then by the time bengibona ngathi bayasihlupha kani basiniketa singosekuphila because today uyafunza ufundzele uphinde ubuye uhlale ekhaya like mina nje okay when I completed school nga 2017 angiyendanga kahle ku English then bathi okay I then upgrade it but ngaphindze okay then upgrade I got a pass kwabita ukuthi ngihambe ngiye college I applied ngagcine ngingakakhona ukungena ukuthi like ngifole scholarship with the farming ngoba ekhaya ke beyikhona and my parents banginiketa a portion lencane mangithanza kuceda isikole
kuwo wona lawo masimu
lawa ekhaya nabanginika iportion lencane la bengilima khona nangilima ke that money ngiyona ke leya khona ukuthi ngiside ukuthi ngikhona ukubhadara ngifunza esikolweni tertiary because bengititsha ukuthi nje angifuni nje neze ngiphinde ngibuyele ensimini. So then okay ngisaqhubeka ke then ngacomplete isikole nangicomplete with the mandate ukuthi ngiyafuna umsebenzi but unfortunately umsebenzi kwabede. Then my father wathi babe like hey umsebenzi nangu umsebenzi kule tandla takho. I started then bangenta tinkuku emacandza by the time ngenta ngaphindze ngilima nalesimini.
Bolima
ensimini was specialized in baby veg, green beans and the baby marrow because tona awuzange nangalinye ilanga uzokuthi bathi sethi flooded in market because bancane balimle badi limako jethu ukuthi it delicate. Then after that ngingaqhubeka then ngase ke sengiyakhula ngiyashada to lesigaba lesengiso mase ngishadile then ngathi to my parents angeke ngisaqhubeka ngilime kanye nabo because ngiyalive to go sale ngiyobona yami ifamily and ngalokuthi ama dreams ayakhula sekufuna wakhe ekhaya whatever so ngisakhona ukuchubeka ngilime to that portion banginikete yona. So then kwakunala masimu lesesikiwo kenyalo la masimu lawa na ungabuka nje na ubona leta kuhlahla lapha ngeshiya lapha kwakunjengoba kunjalo la nsimini. Then I talked to them ngathi ke ngicela ningiboleke la masimu la lendasi wathi babe hey emasimu but then what's okay ke take them like baba like the other family would say uthi ufuna lo mhlaba nje lehlahla tinjena with what.
So what was the plan now utakula masimu lawa ofise kulima inje na uthatha lesinqumo usinyala sotakula masimu what was the plan?
Ngifise ukuqhubeka nala ma baby veg.
Okay.
Sale ngikhona ukuthi ngitimele mina ngingasancingi under them because angibona na ulima kibo batahle bakucontrola ukuthi ngilapha thina sitawulima in so sekufuna shift ucompromise bona because nabo they are based because njengoba ngisho lengathi kwakuyi breadwinner yasekhaya so ngeke ukhona ku-expand the way you want.
Manje waso ready ukuthi laso tema simini langaka sekufuna ukuthi ucashe sekufuna ukuthi uthengele lokuningi lihlanyelo
bonke bese okay beyikhona because angithi nangisasebenzela ekhaya imali beyitakini. Okay then when I married this man Malaza okay sabakhona sasave like we save imali encane nangidala nginayo le dream yami it's okay because one lokwangitisa la ngigwaco wangindaba seceni kwemigwaco seyimakethe ayitawuvuleka and I will able ukuthi ngikhone ku transporter whatever nje. Okay amangifika la I know ukuthi bamflomusha nje uthi ngusikude imali ngitawucala kanjani uyabo. So mina I believe to myself ukuthi lo lokuncane lenginako ngizoqala ngawo la kuphelela khona I will see I know ukuthi nangicala if there is someone because na ucala wenda info kunebantu labakubukile So if so nenginga, there would be someone ukuthi ngakusida ngani. So I started ngasave, then ngayiclearisha le ndzawo, ngaclearisha part of it, angizayiclearisha yonke. Ngaqala with 2 hectares, ngaclearisha yena. Ngakhatha tihlahla and I uprooted. By the time ngangisebenza with my father in Babe Malas. Basically because imali ekuqasha by the time noma kulanza sikhuluma saside, so ezungibona nje by the time I was 24 years. So nangithi lana bengithi angigubha tiphundi, like nginale vision yokuthi go down nami. So yes, sayiclearisha ke mase siclearishile sengibekile lawo masenti lebe ngiwasebenza ngazama ukuthenga kubiya, ngathenga dalada.
Yes.
Ngibiyela ke nasengene eseminary ngimba bengisa part time abayang heroes kwaba nenhlanhla kwathiwa baba ne step up sa 500 banginika ke I bought slip pipe because benginalesa stiba lesa ngithi ngidocala ngalawo emasin lenders because emandi bento wathatha la because le stiba lesi ipressure yemandi angeke ikhone ukunisela the whole part. Unfortunately ke baleba lelo pipe lami. And singathama ukuthi yathi vision yami seyiyaphela but
ukubuyisela emuva.
I believe to myself, okay ke ngachubeka ke because ngangilimela nampot bese ngibakhile ebudlelwane nabo lemuva sesemncane because nabo
sasebenza nemndeni wasekhaya.
Ngisasebenza nabo because bese nginayo portion yami, so they come to my farm babuta ukuthi okay bathi banganisita ngani. By the time kwase kuba nenhlanhla because benginenangilebeka ilontsha i-revolving fund anasozi bank. Luckily ke banginiketa yona ke actually able ukuthi ngikickstart le project, ngihambe ngilandze imandi, ngifake emaphayiphi, ngifake the drip irrigation konke. Ngibona kwangenta ke ngase sengiyakhona ukuthi sengikhona okay. By the time ngalima le then ngathatha le capital lemalanga ngase sebenza to the other parts. It is sale isebenza yonke lesini. Yes, I remember nje that year loko kwenteka is 2022 ngahlanyela the baby marrow, ngaqala kuhlanyela I think ngakhumbula ngahlanyela 26,000. So I was able to make a large amount of income ngayakha by that year. The service also the loan.
Okay.
There was a challenge I understand lapho ukuthi ade mawumuntu lomusha like imali nayifika sigidile esikhulu, if you are not ready noma ungakafundiseka imali ayihaphathisi because nabengijayelele nalencane, so kwafika last sum almost, and that year nje le baby marrow yofa yakhona kuneta 260,000.
Wow, that's a lot.
So I wasn't able ngabhadara ke i-loan in the bank, but angibhadalanga yonke. Then luckily ngatitshela ukuthi ayiselo ngingasabuyela full time, ngitshela ukuthi I would do it next time, and I tried again for ngahlanyela baby mara. Unfortunately ke kwasebisama, so ema weather condition angangifavorish. Ngaba ne struggle lapho, like le business be yaba boomed but yeah fluctuate. But with the spirit of what I see myself, I want to be a billionaire. So ngaba naloku strive by that year. Then last year 2024
manike nawuthi ya fluctuate yini indlela wathenda ku nawungasitshela nje ukuthi yini indlela wathenda ukuthi uphumelele leso simo. Angithi bekuyi challenge. How did you overcome that challenge?
Okay. To that challenge, because njengoba ngisho ukuthi nambodi bekangathi, I came back to them and they asked me batshela ukuthi ati I've got a challenge. Then my CEO asked angibuta because as a person which I am pushing ngayichaza ke le challenge yami ukuthi kwende again. So base bangisita ke with the okay, yes, base bangisita with an input startup labor phinde bana CFI banginiketa le inangi i-backup.
Okay.
So from there ngabe sengiyafunda ke ukuthi how to handle a business. Ngula ngabe sengwahlukanisa khona ke ma cost or ma income Because the major non-crop language or vegetable, it become the asset of the business. Kushuthi imali yakhona angisense. Then bese sengihlanyela bote spinach, maybe those small portions of green beans, kuba ngiphethe cash la business if nangabe ufuna kwenda something. And I also then separate the business to me. Ngase nami sengiyadevelopa ukuthi no in order my business ukuthi iqhubeke ufuna ngihole ngithathe yami imali ngifake ebhange yebhizinisi ibe yodwana.
Sesikhuluma ngaleyo nje kukhona nini noma ke i-training waba nayo ngale financial control noma kumbe lento kubamba letimali ukuthi ungayisebenzisi ungayizabhadisi kukhona i-training waba nayo before ungena ka farming noma watifundisa wena?
No, when said that then ngiyafunda by mistakes my mistake
okay.
In order for the business bese ngiwathola after sengifunde to my mistakes.
Okay, cool.
Yes. Then sengwendile ke lo asivele kuyangisebenzela cha ukuthi imali belena then kube nale petty cash lokhona ukuthi ukhona ukusibolela ukhona kwenda bo petrol ngihambisa timvo whatever nje cost lekufuna ukuthi ngiyende noma ngithenga ama chemicals ngithatha ngale ka cash so ngabese ke kanjalo aqhubeka to the extent ukuthi agcina ke okay nangithenga by the time lelo ngingathenga part of le trip angithenga for le sim yonke so esaqhubeka ngithola imali invest ngiqhubeke ngithenga another trip irrigation so nyalo le sim yonke sekuyisendisa i-trip for winisel. So going forward I'm looking ukuthi ngibe nema shade net because in summer nje last summer lesuka kuya also lost I lose 70,000 and kwabuya zero. Due to the rain, there was too much rainfall, so there was no sivuno lesabakhona. So so my wish is to get a shade net, maybe kube na some of le plot lengivalako. Okay, ngisaqhubeka last year 2024 ezingisaqhubeka ngi-strong lady. And the Minister of Agriculture recognize with CADESA sahamba saye Taiwan sayofunza ngedingcinamba lesihlangana nato sima farmers and how to attain it. Okay, nalo kwayiletha enangini yami ukuthi esema farmers
sifika njani ka CADESA ngibantu akuhlanganisa naba ka CADESA as a farmer, a young growing farmer who connected you with the team?
If I'm not mistaken, State Can, is it 2022?
Yes.
There was a youth indaba lebeyikhona isemavuso nangikhumbula kade 2022. So kuna chairperson webamfula basha in agriculture ngathi bathi youth wing ka is now.
Okay.
So Gcina was smiling through.
Yes.
So Gcina was smiling through was my motivate.
Okay, that's true.
So CADESA ke mathi ngayo ungilingana naye. I remember nje angmarketer wathi in that year youth indaba ngaba I was MC of that.
Okay. Nasingakule kule trip yakho ka CADESA eBotswana. Yini lokho wafika kufunza le lo ubuye apply kule farming yakho ye project le ndawo.
Okay.
Yes.
Labasifundisa kona it's a record keeping.
Okay.
Babuya basifundisa nangalokunisela ngalama drip to conserve water. And then lower ke kwangisita because okay my recorder wasn't good and keeping them. So ngabuya by the time I keep it.
Okay.
And then with keeping that records and kubeka nginang luckily Namport this day says une campaign kuba certify abalimi ukuthi babe na global gap. So I was part of them. I'm part of Watata 60. So just my training sagwenda. So even now they were coming like you see that house there.
Oh yes.
Then it's going to be my courtroom. That's why
okay.
And it's going to be my courtroom land over con. Then telling saka there will be the two share.
Oh, all right. I thought about to lose.
And that one now work my structure. That will be my chemicals.
Okay.
Yes. there would be an office khona lapha.
Interesting.
Just go Global Gap needs that because Global Gap songivulela ukuthi mina sengakhona kulimela worldwide, which makes me ukuthi sengiyakhona ku-export.
Yes, alokuba professional ukuba.
Yes.
Okay, ngawucela ke ngala singene kulenye chapter lena yaka Women Farmer Foundation. Siyabona uyawina kulamaviki laphelile uthatha istoco sekuba Women Farmer under the Youths 2025. Sicela nje usithathe sibeke ukuthi uhlangana kanjani naba ka Women Farmer Foundation nekuthi what inspired you to be part of that competition nekuthi sowungenele kangaki, what have you learned from it, and kulabanye laba farmers lasemancane laseta noma ke lasakhula lolwathi lolutholile lapha kuya competition noma ke kibo baka Women Farmer uthi tshele ngeke basita kanjani nabanye noma ke ufise kusita kanjani back to the community.
Okay, Women Farmer. Okay, yes, I know Women Farmer emuva. My mom used to join. Unfortunately, akazange sekawine. So, kwafika ulimiswane that other year 2024. Okay, when you say you can make it to Women Farmer, like even my mom won't deceive her. I say, hey, Women Farmer, you can't. It's mina ngingenile angizange singawina, but what I can say ngami, mina angisi the failure. I don't want to fail in everything. So I push with everything. So I was able to one propose again my extension officer and table show. So I applied last year and I was able to last year in 20% too.
Wow.
Now I like and this year I want if do I join or not, because from number 2 should you are expected to be champion. If you are failing but number 3, then due to last year I won around number 2, so I was able to bank a Women Farmer within the ministry Taiwan.
Oh, okay.
So we go to Taiwan, some of our phones are with the smart agriculture and learning about that was so impressive.
Yeah, tell us how to speak it ukuthi inde nakufunza ukuyewa apply nalo ngani.
I have to take that ngilethela. Okay, bona babasitshela like smart agriculture, precision agriculture. So nasifika ke like kuthi everything I should control it to my phone, and every record it should be recorded and we storage to cloud so that it cannot circulate in everyone. Then we storage because you can't secrete, you can't share it nice and up. So that's what I've learned. Okay, the also thing it's about the materials and the shade nets, because my shade nets or the tunnels, I can control everything even if I'm out of the country, go regulator whatever, because it's go controller through internet. So I'm like, if it can be so perfect. The agriculture can be, because this is a diversifier to other business. Lakun is my wish to sing a Canadian detector. She's a Emma go get it. Okay. Then what I've also learned, okay, for the Benelabas Funds and look 7 macros.
Okay.
So that we're able to attain a market. Yes, we are trying, but all of it is
Nice.
Then okay, lansimini ngafunza like there was a disease last year, insects white fly. I asked to Alimis Bami Abuta Yati Sapopisa everything, but I think I figured try one a simple thing. Bang chelang in him oil.
Yes.
In him oil which he can kill that very, and also John Wabona Lamatang this year and difference. And I tell allow at the stage of a mother say a powder. So Taiwan I figure bang sit about how to suppress the powder so that it don't ban in let's see. The hurt me was in 70 bicarbonate of soda, you know, 270 are the chemicals. So when I say this are the bicarbonate ammonium oil that is organic, which means the best when I would say so if so the chemical residual money. because sisebenzisa timboleti organic. So lo kwangisida kakhulu because njengoba ubona nje nyalo ngakhona ukucontrola leso sifo leso, even because besingihlasela kakhulu kuma-green beans, so ngikhonile ukuthi kodwa until ama-green beans ami ngavuna 3 months because la ngaqala ukuwavuna ever since ngabuya eTaiwan.
Yes.
But nama-baby maro zavama ukuthi nangabe kunalo kwesifo lo kuwavune 1.5 month, but lo sengiyoqeda inyanga yesi-2 and I will get inyanga yesi-3, which means kwangisida ukulithola lelo lwathi lelo ngoba la ikhaya bengakalitholi.
Sesigocoda ke sisibonisa. Naba iyouth la ngaphandle ikhala ngemisebenzi labanye bafuna ngena ka farming. Ingabe amagama longawatshela wona ekubagutata ukuthi nabo kuze bafike lezinga lokilo noma ke badlulele babe netulu. Angathini amagama nje longayisho kuyo iyouth lefise kufika leli zinga lokilo lekulima.
Okay. Lengakusho ukuthi lokulonako lokuncane kumflo omusha, I don't think because ngiyathi ukuthi abantu labasha uhlele ekhaya uthi mina mayengiyafisa ekhaya ukhona umhlaba mane kude mandi kude fenisi kude ini kuningi nginalo ukuthi as long as usene ma excuses ukuthi I can't do this because of that angeke ugcine ukuqalile. There's small portion I remember my farm my father nje like ekhaya abazange sebabe naye edalata zaye sebabe naye fenisi, they were using emahlahla bebathi bemahlahla bawafake babiyele bekude silwanele besingena by the time then base bavula umsele lokuletha emanti. So kwangitshela lokuthi loko lonako can make you ufike la uqale ngako. What I say ngikucizelela the more the most thing ethi umuntu lomusha ufuna uyende kuqala.
Alright.
Kuqala to stand up uyiqale lento because as usesekhethe ukuthi it can't be it to act on the thing lokiyo. Whatever noma ngabe you are a graduate like me ukuthi mina I'm graduated in engineering whatever, maybe ikhona because it's not kungena ensimini kuphela lo ngakwenda, but anything you can look la kule table ukuthi mina ngingafitha ngakuphi, then you start ungaqali ukuthi like so ubona nje bona sasone ma trip like so funa nami ngaqala kancane njengoba ngishilo ngithi I start under my parent ngakhula kibo until ngahamba with the stages. Not ukuthi ngavele ngiqala kancane and look at the around the table ukuthi yini lo ngayicontributor wena. Akusikuthi ungangena ensimini ungenda kube ekhayeni ungaba ungene uhle uthenge kithi uhambe upackage umix emakethe ngiloko nje lokunye longakwenda because it's another part lengikwendako mina.
Oh yes.
When ngithengisa la titolo ngiyakukhala ensimini then I go and ngikukwashe kahle then I wrap it ngikupackage then bese sengiyukuthengisa etitolo because I work with Spar, Boxer and Shoprite. Some of the baby marriage lethenga Boxer it's mine, baby marriage lethenga Spar, Pick Street it's mine, Green Pill wathenga Spar and what nalo wathenga Boxer akuhambala nsimi because this lokuhla kakhulu because different expo let it come inside it import it come outside. This was a church because logo fresh from the garden. We are making so now ungakwenda ke lokho usesekhaya ungaqala ngaloko njengokuqala ngaloko ukuthi uqophaqophe then you store the money so uyahamba ke nabo nephupho lekuyolima so uthatha leyo mali leyo so uyothenga lokudingako ukuze ukhone ukuqala kusebenza. Yes lokho lengakusho stand up don't look ukuthi kude ini. Well, susa nje tincabele ngwane then we start.
Sibonge kakhulu ke Maswati kusibukela lihlelo lethu lokuthiwa Silimeni Maswati letfolaka ka YouTube Agribusiness TV. Siyathemba ukuthi nilithokotele lihlelo lethu. Sitaphinze ke sinibone kuyo episode elandzelako sisixoxisana naye ke Bonisa Malaza lo wentata ka agriculture under the vegetable production. Sibonga kakhulu and sithokote kakhulu kuba nani ibele suku loluhle.